Hi everyone, welcome back to Conversations in English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Today, a situation every traveler knows.
You request an Uber. The app says your driver is 1 minute away.
Then, your phone rings. It's the driver.
Hello? And then silence because you don't know what to say.
Today, we fix that. Taxis, Ubers, Lyfts. How to request, how to talk to the driver, how to give directions, and how to pay.
By the end of this episode, you'll be ready for any ride.
Let's start.
The phone call is the scariest part for most learners. Your heart beats fast, you don't know what the driver is going to say, and you feel pressure to respond immediately.
Here's the good news. It's usually very simple. The driver just needs to find you. They're not testing your English, they just want to pick you up.
Exactly. So let's look at what the driver might actually say when they call. Listen carefully to these common phrases.
Hi, I'm here. Where are you? Or, I'm outside. Do you see me? Sometimes they'll ask, what are you wearing? And sometimes, I'm at the corner of 5th and Main. Are you nearby?
All of those questions have one thing in common. They just need to find you. Here's a simple 4-step formula that works every time.
Hello.
Step 2, confirm you requested the ride.
Step 3, describe where you are.
Step 4, say you'll wait.
4 steps. That's your whole script. Now let's hear it in a real example. I'll be the driver. Emma, you're the traveler. Hello, I'm your Uber driver. Where are you?
Hi, yes, I requested an Uber to the airport. I'm outside the coffee shop with the green sign. I'm wearing a red jacket.
Okay, I see you.
Great, I'll wait here. Thank you.
And that's it. 4 steps in action. Hello, confirm, describe, wait. Clean and simple. Now, let's go deeper on step 3, describing where you are. This is where many people freeze. They know where they are, but they don't know how to say it in English.
Totally. So let's learn some useful phrases. First, use landmarks, things you can see around you.
I'm outside the main entrance. I'm next to the Starbucks. I'm in front of the hotel. I'm at the corner of 5th Avenue and Main Street.
Great. And second, describe yourself so the driver can spot you in a crowd.
I'm wearing a blue hat. I have a red suitcase. I'm holding a coffee cup. I'm the one waving.
Here's the most important thing. You don't need perfect English. Just a few key words. Red jacket, outside Starbucks. That's enough. Keep it short and clear.
Exactly. Simple is always better, especially on a phone call. Just the key information. Once you're in the car, you may need to direct the driver. Here are the most important direction phrases to know.
Turn left here. Turn right at the next street. Go straight for 2 blocks. Pull over here, please. You can stop at the next corner.
Short, direct, easy to say. Now let's practice. Emma, you're in the car and you need to guide the driver. Which way?
Turn right at the next light, then go straight. My hotel is on the left.
Got it.
See how simple that was? Left, right, straight, here. Those 4 words will get you anywhere. You don't need to know every street name.
Remember, the driver is a professional. They won't judge your accent or grammar. They just need the direction. Trust yourself and speak up.
Let's talk about something that makes a lot of people nervous, the price. Before you even get in the car, you can ask questions, and you absolutely should.
Here are your key questions. How much will it cost to the airport? Approximately how much? Do you take credit card? Can I pay with cash? Is the tip included?
And especially with taxis, not Ubers or Lyfts, always ask about the price before the trip starts. The meter begins running the moment you get in.
That's such an important point. In Ubers and Lyfts, the price is fixed and shown in the app before you confirm. But taxis use a meter, so always ask first. No surprises.
And here are some phrases for the actual payment moment. Can I pay with card? I only have cash. Is that okay? Keep the change. Can I tip you on the app?
Keep the change is a beautiful phrase. 3 words. It covers your payment and your tip at the same time. Very natural, very American.
Love it. So practical. Okay, it's time for the full role play. Alex plays the driver at natural speed. I'm the traveler. Listen carefully. You'll hear everything we've practiced come together.
Let's go.
Hello? This is your Uber. I'm here. Where are you?
Hi, I'm outside the hotel entrance. I'm wearing a black backpack.
I don't see you. Are you on the main street?
Yes, Main Street, next to the big blue sign.
Oh, I see you. I'll pull over.
Great, thank you.
Where to, exactly?
The airport. Terminal 2, please.
Got it. Traffic is bad today.
That's okay, I have time.
Here we are. Terminal 2.
Perfect. How much?
$25.
Can I pay with card?
Yes.
Great, thank you so much. Have a good day.
And that is a complete Uber trip in English, from the phone call to the final goodbye. Did you catch all of it?
Notice how calm I stayed, even when the driver couldn't see me? I gave one more detail, next to the big blue sign, and we found each other. That's all it takes.
Let's prepare for trickier situations, because sometimes things don't go perfectly, and knowing what to say in those moments is what builds your confidence.
Let's go through them one by one.
First situation, the driver is lost. Maybe they drove past your street. You can say, I think you passed my street. Could you turn around? Or, my address is 25 Main Street. Do you see the number?
Stay calm and be specific. Give them the street number. That usually solves it immediately.
Second situation, the driver is going the wrong way. This is rare, but it happens. You say, I think this isn't the right direction. We need to go the other way. Or, more politely, could you follow the GPS, please?
Follow the GPS.
I'm sorry, I only have card. Is that a problem? Or the app said I could pay with card.
Mentioning the app usually resolves it right away. The driver knows the rules.
And fourth, the driver is talking on their phone while driving. You can politely say, sorry, could you focus on the road? Your safety matters. It is absolutely okay to speak up in this situation.
Could you focus on the road, please? Most drivers will respond positively. Let's talk about tipping, something that confuses many travelers, especially from countries where tipping isn't common.
In the US and Canada, 15 to 20% is standard for taxis and ride shares. 10% is acceptable, and 20% or more is for exceptional service, like help with heavy luggage or extra kindness.
And here's how to tip. In the app, after the ride, most apps prompt you to rate the driver and add a tip. Very easy. Just tap a button.
In cash, hand the driver extra and say, keep the change. On card, can I add a tip? Simple.
Remember, tipping is optional, but it's always appreciated, especially when someone gives great service or helps with your bags. It's a small way of saying, thank you, you did a good job. Now it's your turn. I'll give you a situation, pause the podcast, say your answer out loud, then press play to hear the model answer. Ready?
Let's do it.
Your driver calls. You're standing outside a McDonald's. You're wearing a green shirt. What do you say? Pause now and answer out loud.
Hello? Yes, I'm outside McDonald's. I'm wearing a green shirt.
Great job! Practice number 2. You're in the car. The driver asks, "Where are you going?" What do you say? Pause and answer now.
To the airport, please. Terminal 1. Always add please. It's polite, it's natural, and it sounds very professional.
You're in the car. The driver is about to miss your street. What do you say?
Turn left here, please. My street is next. Notice please again, and we added context. My street is next, so the driver knows there's urgency.
Practice number 4. You arrive at your destination. You want to pay with card. What do you say? Pause now.
Can I pay with card? 4 words. Simple, direct, done.
And finally, practice number 5. You want to leave a cash tip. The fare was $20. You hand the driver $25. What do you say? Last one. Pause and answer.
Keep the change. Thank you. Beautiful, generous, and completely natural.
You did it! 5 situations, 5 perfect answers. That was some serious English practice. Well done.
And that's a wrap for episode 17. Today, we covered taxis and Ubers without fear.
The phone call, describing where you are, directions, paying, and tipping, all in one episode.
Hello, I'm outside the hotel. I'm wearing a red jacket. That will get your driver to you every time.
Remember to practice a little every day.
Subscribe and leave us a comment. What's your taxi horror story? We want to hear it.
Take care. Safe travels. Bye-bye.